Have you ever thought about living in a golf community where it's not just about the homes, but it is really about the lifestyle? Like having trails, nature, and resort style amenities all right outside your door? Hey everyone, this is Anjanette, your local realtor here in the Triangle area. Behind me is their golf course, one of the golf courses here. And today I'm taking you inside a community here in Falls Village by Stanley Martin in Durham, North Carolina, that really brings that active, easy, and connected lifestyle together. Right here, you've got an established 18-hole golf course. So whether you're just serious golfer or just enjoying getting out there from time to time, and it's already built in into your everyday life. But it's not just golf. What I really love about this community is the amount of the open space right here. It just feels so um, peaceful, spacious, and perfect if you enjoy being outside and staying active. And it gets even better. There are future resort style amenities being planned right now, including a large pool, a clubhouse, a tennis and a pickleball courts, plus a lifestyle director who will be organizing events and activities. So, there's always something going on, and if you want to stay social. Now, if you enjoy walking or just getting your steps in, you're going to appreciate this. There are 14 miles of trails and sidewalks throughout this community, whether it's morning walk, jogging, or even biking. It's all right here. And for those of you who have pets, there's even a dedicated dog park. So your furry family member gets to enjoy the lifestyle too. Plus, just minutes away from Falls Lake State Recreation Area, there's a huge 12,000-acre lake where you can go boating, fishing, kayaking, or just spend a relaxing day by the water. You also have a nearby access to the mountain to sea trail also, which is perfect if you love hiking and you love biking or just exploring a nature a little more. So, even you've been if you've been looking for a community that blends golf, nature, and that resort style, feel all in one place, you're going to want to stick around because I'm going to show you what living here really looks like. So, right me, there are golfers right there, as you can see, enjoying these beautiful blue skies in the Carolinas. Hey everyone, this is Anjanette, your local realtor here in the Triangle area of North Carolina, helping people move to places like Cary, Raleigh, Durham, and Apex. And also, if you've been thinking about moving to North Carolina or just curious what it is like to live here, you're in the right place. I tour homes, explore communities, and basically do all the walking so you don't have to do it. So until you're ready, so go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and tap that bell so you won't miss anything. And whenever you're ready, 9 days or 90 days, reach out. I help people just like you every day, and I love to help you too. Welcome to Stanley Martin Home in Falls Village. Today we're going to see McIntosh floor plan, which is about 1,700 to 2,100 square feet. And this one offers 2 bedroom and 2 bath with an option of a second floor loft. So that's what we're gonna see today. Come on, let's take a tour. So as you enter, this will be your foyer right here. And then to this side, let's go look here. This will be your door towards the garage space. Right now, it's their design center, but this will be your two-car garage. And then right here will be your laundry area, and there's an option to have a sink right here. And then this will be your, your cubbies with your stuff that you can put there. And as we walked here to the hallway, this will be your office space with two French glass doors right here, which is really nice. I like that feature. And also, it comes with a closet space for more extra storage. Leading to your living space here. Let's go here on this section first. This will be your first bedroom right here. Pretty good size. As I mentioned, the standard height of their ceiling is about 10 feet tall. So you can get that grand and more spacious feel to the home. And this will be your walk-in closet. Very nice feature. Walk-in closet is always nice to have. So as we walked here, this will be the full bathroom. And this will be your coat closet. And now to your living space right here. Right away, this is your, your living area on this section. It's really nice. You can have a nice L shape, a lot of room for seating. Nice windows. And look at this. This is your dining area right here. Can fit at least 6 people. And more room. Did you notice? There's more room here. And look at the size. Look at the size of this center island. This is big. Don't you? I mean, you can fit 4 high chairs here. And your beautiful sink looking outside the golf course. How good is that? That's a nice view. Beautiful. And 4 gas burners. And there's plenty of cabinets here, I noticed. And all the convenience in a kitchen. Microwave, stove, and behind you is your dishwasher. And here would be your pantry space. Pretty good size, I would say. And look at this. You even have this section here, like your screened, like added outdoor kind of slash, right, living space here. Especially you can appreciate this corner in the morning, right? This could be your breakfast living space here where you can just drink your coffee, just relax, and look at the golf course, people golfing. What a beautiful section this is. I like this. To me, this is a nice feature here where you can enjoy somehow the outdoor, but you're still inside the house. Isn't it? Yeah, I like this. This is an added bonus. People I'm sure, like those floor plan also, this floor plan. And now, let us go head to the master, or the primary suite. Wow, look at this nice big bench right here. This is a pretty good size, I would say, primary suite bedroom. You can fit a nice dresser here, king size bed, and look at how wide this bench is, and still plenty of room right here. And towards you, as I'm walking here, is your walk-in closet space. They use every corner, every space in this. There's a little, there's a little space there for more added storage. And let's walk to the primary bathroom. Nice. Look at this frameless door. Very spacious, I would say. This is a very spacious shower here. And a nice bench there for convenience. And like I mentioned, the primary suite offers a comfort commode, which is at least 17 to 19 inches height compared to a 15-inch, which is the standard height for the commode. This one, it's only available for the primary suite. It's about 17 or 19 inches, which is very good for people that have difficulty with their knees, or easy to your knees and to your hip. So added bonus for that. This McIntosh plan has a second floor, so why don't we go take a look at the second floor option. Here it is. This is a nice, spacious loft. You can convert to be your, TV room, whatever you want. Extra storage space. Maybe this space could be your, when family's visiting you or whatever. It can be your recreational room, hobby room. So perfect for any there's a lot of flexibility to do with this home. So, I like this one. This is like a day bed that is converted into like a sofa day bed, which is really nice. And this one has a full bathroom right here. Like if you're using this as a guest area, they have a full access to the bathroom right here. Perfect. And let's see, that's the storage, that's your closet storage there, or walk-in closet. And I think this is just the utility room, so access to your attic. Okay, that's the end of this attic tour, and I'll talk to you more about more information about this community. So let's talk about the price of homes here. It's about $449 to $600 plus, based on the plan or the upgrade or elevation. So there's plenty of option to customize your homes here according to your budget and to your lifestyle. There are 12 floor plans and to choose from, and right now there are 24 home sites available, and they will be opening 600 more home sites opening by the end of the year. Also, let's talk about their HOA dues, which is $275, and what is included here. So you get Spectrum, which is up to 1 gigabyte, which is also, you get 70 channels on demand, and also you get access to amenities, communities like clubhouse, pool, racket center, dog park, and more. And also the best part here, which is also included in the HOA, is the mowing, the edging, and the pruning, and the weeding, and the fertilizing. You don't have to do that because that is also included in your HOA dues, which is so convenient, and you don't have to take care of that, especially when it gets really hot here in the summertime. And also, this location is so convenient to downtown Durham, which is only 7 miles. To Raleigh, it's about 20 miles. To the farmer market, 8 miles. And RDU Airport, it's only 10 miles. Shopping here is so convenient. 6 Mile Briar Creek area, which has 75 stores and restaurants and more. South Point is only 13 miles. And there's 3 major hospitals here, which is Rex and Duke and UNC, and it's only 15 to 19 miles. And DPAC Center, 10 miles. And if you love sports, the PNC Arena is 16 miles. Durham Bulls Athletic Park, 10 miles. And more outdoor activities. Falls Lake, it's so close, only 6 miles if you love biking, hiking. And there are 300 campsites there that you can experience overnight. Close to Sea Trailhead and American Tobacco Trailhead. And here's a little bonus for you. You know, they take advantage of the current incentive, which is over $10,750 in closing costs with their preferred lender and, you know, their move-in ready, reduced pricing homes. And if you're considering moving here with the 55 plus community, I'd love to show you around and help you in every step of the way. You can call me, text me, or send me an email. I'd love to hear what you're looking for and help you through the process. And remember, there's a lot of places here and buyers that are locally and also those relocating out of town, out of state that will be relocating here that might be interested in this community. There's a lot of options here in Durham, and this place could be your perfect home at the Falls Village. So what's the best thing about living in North Carolina? What do you guys enjoy most besides golfing?
Well, I want to say about golfing because you
Yeah.
can play, you can golf 12 months a year, and
Yeah.
not every day, but there's beautiful days every month of the year that you can get out and play, enjoy yourself, and hit with your buddies and have a good time.
Perfect. What about you,
I
sir?
love this area. Falls Village has improved greatly over the last couple of years. I personally, being from California, I love the coast here in North Carolina. I go there quite a bit to go fishing and just love the coast. Live very close to here, love this area.
Yes, okay. Ready? Here we go.
Enjoy.
Oops.
Yay.
Yay.
Thank you, sir.
Sorry.